how to transfer Worldcoin to Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to transfer Worldcoin to Binance account. Now all you have to do now, go ahead and open up your Binance app. After you open Binance, go to asset. In asset, go to deposit. So from deposit, all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this search and search for WLD, that's Worldcoin. WLD, that's Worldcoin. So select the Worldcoin like this. So go ahead and tap on this Worldcoin network. Okay, so tap on this copy address. After you copy the address, now go back to your Worldcoin. So now open up your Worldcoin app like this. Here is it now. After you open your Worldcoin app like this, now you'll be able now to see the list of the coin. If you come to this option, so in this option now you can be able now to see the Worldcoin like this one. Because now I don't have any Worldcoin in my Worldcoin wallet, that's why it's not giving me the option. So just go ahead now and select the Worldcoin like this. After you select the Worldcoin like this, now you can tap on this three dot at the top. So from there you can be able to see the withdrawal button. So from there you can just go ahead now and paste in the address that you copy from your Binance account. From there you can just receive your Worldcoin into your Binance account. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe.